we will see some more example of elementary operation. We have taken a sum. We have to find invertible of A using elementary row transformation and hence solve the metric equation. This sum has come in CBSE 2016. A is given, so since we have to apply elementary row operation, we will take this equation. Here in place of this we have put the matrix A, then in place of I, since it should be remain untouched, that's why it is written as A. Then we have to find here 1, that's why row 1 divided by 2. After that we apply this operation row 2 minus row 1, so that we must have here 0, because here in this side we need unit matrix. To have the elements of unit matrix, we used to decide which operation is appropriate. Then we applied row 2 multiplied by twice 2, so that we get this one. The same operation must be applied here also. Now applying again a new operation, row 1 minus half of row 2. That means row 2 multiplied by half and subtracted from row 1, so that we have this one 0 and 0 and 1 minus 1. So the same operation applied in this also, and in simultaneously we applied one more operation. C3 become new because C3 minus twice of C2, R3 become new because R3 minus twice R1. We have to follow this operation. Then we have this one. Okay. After that, applying one more operation, R1 become new because R1 minus R3, and simultaneously another operation, R2 plus R3. We decide what kind of operation is appropriate to find what should be done to have here the unit matrix. In this way we have ultimately get here unit matrix. So we first try to find out 1, then 0 0, then 0 1 0, then 0 0 1, and whatever operation is done in this side, it must be applied over there. In this way we find here this one, the inverse of A. Now here we have to solve this one. A XA is equal to this matrix. Now this side they multiplied by X A inverse. Now we know the value of A inverse. It kept over there. After multiplying this one, we will have this one. Now we have another example from ISC board which come in 2016. A sum is given, and with the help of this is again taken from CBSE 2016. A matrix A is given, and we have to find inverse of A applying elementary row operation. Then we have to use that inverse to solve this following system of equation. Since row matrix should be applied, again we have taken this equation, we put the values. Now this side try to convert its element into element of unit matrix. First we need here 1. Okay, then that's why it is b r r1 minus r2. 3 minus 2 gives 1. Okay, in the same way the same operation is applied in this side. Okay, again we need 0 0 to means to have element of unit matrix. We used to decide what operation should be applied so that we get the unit matrix in left hand side, and whatever operation is decided and applied this side must be applied in this side. Ultimately we get this one. Now this one is inverse of A. Now after getting this one, there are 3 equations. This can be written in this form: Ax. Now after getting determinant of A, x can be expressed A inverse into B. We have already find A inverse. A inverse into B gives 1 minus 2 and 3. Hence by comparing these two, we will get x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 3. Okay, in our next video we will apply study properties of determinant.